Hello viewers, welcome back to yet another exciting series. In today's series, we will be tackling a very practical question in mathematics, substitution into formula. So let's quickly delve into the question. Right, so series 6, the question is asking us to find the value of L. L equals the fraction J divided by Mn minus N, right? Okay. So the expression was given as L equals the fraction J divided by Mn, subtracting from N, right? Minus N. Where J is giving us 150, M is giving us 5, and N is giving us 3, right? So we are going to insert the values into the expression, and it will give us L equals 150 divided by 5 multiplying 3 minus 3, right? So 5 multiplying 3 would give us 15, right? 5 times 3 equals 15, right? So in all, we are going to get L as 150 divided by 15 minus 3, okay? 15 would cancel itself 1, and it will cancel 150 10 times, right? 15 will go into itself 1 to go into 150 10 times. So we are going to get our L to be 10 minus 3, which is 7. So therefore our L is 7. Thank you so much for watching the video. Kindly do well to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.